You'll never know.
Now that I'm ready to shoot, there's freaking nothing to be found. I'll go back to it.
That's how it goes.
Oh, you just got buzzed.
Oh, you got buzzed. Oh, I see that. Hunt back and drink man day.
Here, I want to get a little crumb.
What?
I just want to get a little crumb.
Go ahead.
Like that.
Oh, you need to make another clip?
Well, you know how I had the big idea of doing the mud stick? Yeah. Now they have one in Vail called Stick in the Mud.
Really?
Yeah. They totally stole my idea.
I bet it was Bramo. You probably heard about
Had the flap down for it where you put your gun on it and everything.
Stick in the mud. Oh, it's called Stick in the Mud.
The mud stick, man. They call it Stick in the Mud.
Good shooting, Tex. Where'd you park your horse?
Except for it just has like where you can lean your gun on it. It has a flap on it and you can put your gun on it like a gun rack.
Is there a leg band on it?
No band.
Hold still, Scott. Oh, I got him.
Way to go, Bramo. Way to send the herd.
This one's a mounter?
I don't know.
I don't know. Look at his wing.
I think it was on that second shot.
Huh?
It's the
I want it.
it's a goose orgy over there.
Looks like I want that one. I want it. That jerky hits the spot, man.
It does. Filling. You know, a muffin can be very filling.
Who's muffin?
So can a bagel.
Nice food in general.
Those are called common ground chucker.
I totally love Bramo's jacket.
It's like that leather that's.
We decided.
It's like a mountain man leather coat with the tassels, you know.
He probably got it from yeah. Probably got it. But they're totally out shooting us. I just want you to know that. Oh yeah, they are.
Yeah, I'm probably like 4 for 2 boxes.
I'm 4 for 1 box.
I'm 4 for 1 and a little bit.
7 for 7.
But I will say, my very first
Shot was that a goose?
today, I wasn't sure if you killed that or me, so. No, a goose. Oh. You shot it. What? The goose, that's when we were timing the quarter this morning? Yeah. That was you, I didn't get that. My very first shot of the day was the 2 geese. Oh, yeah. And I was hoping to bring it down. I was just first shot of the day was a goose. Stewart. Hello? Fine, how are you? We're cold. Oh, I can feel the sun now, huh, Kate?
Oh, it's so cold.
Wasn't as cold as it was when I was sitting there when you guys first walked in.
I was hot when we first got there.
Oh man, I was freezing.
I went through the water when it was cold.
Again, I ain't dead yet.
And over there when I was walking on those reeds and like boots running in the water, I was freaking.
Bum 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 bum.
Just thinking the bike ride home is gonna be so warm.
Ah, I feel a sweat.
I'll call you when we get to the truck. How's that?
What time is it?
I don't know if the duck's up line.
Party time. As good as open there is.
Well, we should be limited since we started a half hour early.
No kidding. That was a half an hour early. That was like feeling guilty.
Yeah, I know.
I didn't dare to shoot. Man, I don't know.
Scott's like, they can't give us all a ticket.
Boom, boom. Yeah. That was crazy, man.
They're probably out there giving everybody that comes out a ticket because they know everybody started shooting.
Probably.
They have a trick question. They'll ask you.
What is your favorite? What time did you shoot the first duck?
7:31. Oh.
Here, help.
Yeah.
I love when they're going on the wall like that and you actually get them. Just go.
You see all the bullets and exactly what.
I got a piece of string of meat might be something to work on all day.
Excuse me?